Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make Frangipani hand wash. These are the surfactants required: alpha olefin sulfonate, Coco Glucoside and Coco Betaine. I'll mix them all in this container. All the ingredients, weights and supplier details are in the description box. I will stir it gently. Now comes the water phase. This is distilled water. This contains Hydrovance and Polyquat. I'll mix it in the distilled water. Now I'll pour the surfactant phase into the water phase and gently stir it. You can see that it isn't mixed properly yet. Now goes the preservative and fragrance oil. Since the pH is high, I'll add lactic acid to bring down the pH to 5.5. I'll be adding 10 drops, test the pH and again add it accordingly. Stir it gently, else it will incorporate lot of bubbles. Now comes the most interesting part, adding salt. I have added 2% salt here. It is the maximum amount that we can add. Add it slowly by stirring. As the salt dissolves, it starts thickening. I will test the pH and make sure it is around 5.5. I'll put this aside for some time so that it stabilizes the viscosity. I'm going to pour it into a pump bottle. I will stick the label. This label is made by me from Canva. Let me show you how it lathers. It is quite viscous. It has a beautiful lace glove kind of lather. Thank you for watching.